In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable noise cancellation in Google Meet, helping you filter out disruptive noise during your meetings. We all know how distracting background noise can be, especially when participating in important calls. Fortunately, Google Meet has a feature that can help minimize these disruptions, and today we're going to walk through the process of setting it up. First, let's head over to Google Meet. To do this, open your favorite web browser and type in meet.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see an option to start an instant meeting. Click on this to begin. Now that you're in the meeting interface, it's time to access the noise cancellation settings. Look to the lower right corner of your screen for a three dots icon. This is the More Options menu. Clicking on this will open a drop down with several choices. From this drop down, select Settings. Within the settings menu, you'll find various options to configure your meeting preferences. Since we're focusing on noise cancellation, go ahead and click on Audio. This is where all the sound related settings of your meeting are located. Google Meet offers a straightforward interface, so locating the necessary options should be quite intuitive. Once you're on the audio settings page, you'll notice a feature labeled Noise Cancellation. By default, this might be turned off, depending on your previous settings. To activate noise cancellation, simply click on it. You'll know it's enabled when the toggle switch turns from grey to blue, indicating the feature is active. Now you might be curious about how effective this feature is. Google Meet's noise cancellation works by filtering out background sounds like keyboard typing, ambient office noises, or kids playing in the background, allowing your voice to come through clearly. It's important to note, however, that while this feature is extremely helpful, it might not eliminate all background noises entirely. Before you close the settings menu, consider doing a quick test to make sure everything is working as expected. You can ask a colleague to help you by joining the meeting and providing feedback on whether they notice any improvements in the audio quality. Enabling this feature is a great way to enhance the professionalism of your virtual meetings by making communication clearer and more effective. Whether you're working from a bustling office or joining a call from the comfort of home, having noise cancellation turned on can make a significant difference. That's all it takes to enable noise cancellation on Google Meet. Be sure to explore other settings in Google Meet to enhance your meeting experience further. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this feature helps you have more productive and less noisy meetings in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.